Cache Giraffe blocks accounts for multiple account activity when the system detects overlapping logins, repeated device IDs, or payout attempts linked to different profiles from the same phone or network. By the end, you'll understand why Cache Giraffe is blocking your account for multiple accounts, and the exact steps to fix it or recover access safely. First thing to check is whether you actually have more than one account linked to the same device. Cache Giraffe tracks device identifiers, so even switching between emails or Google logins on the same phone can trigger a multiple account flag. Next, check your login method. If you've ever signed in with Google Play Games on one attempt and email on another, the system may treat them as separate accounts tied to the same device. That mismatch is one of the most common reasons for blocks. Another issue is leftover session data. If you recently reinstalled the app or switched devices, an old session can still be active in the background. That creates a conflict where the system thinks two accounts are running at the same time. To fix that, fully log out of Cache Giraffe on all devices if possible. Then close the app completely and reopen it using only your original login method. This forces a clean session with no overlap. If you're not sure which account is the original one, try each login method you've used before one by one. The correct account is usually the one that still shows your previous balance or reward history. Next step is clearing cache. Stored login data can keep old account fingerprints active even after you switch profiles. Clearing cache removes that stored data and helps the app rebuild a single clean identity for your device. Also check whether you are using VPNs, cloned apps, or app duplication tools. These can make your device appear like multiple separate users, which is one of the fastest ways to trigger a multi-account block. If you recently tried to start fresh by creating a new account, that can also cause the block. Cache Giraffe often restricts accounts when it detects repeated account creation on the same device, even if both accounts are legitimate. If everything is correct but you're still blocked, uninstall the app, restart your phone, and reinstall using only one verified login method. This resets device-level tracking and removes conflicting identifiers. If the block still remains after that, it is likely a server-side restriction tied to device reputation, which usually requires support to manually review and lift. Quick summary. Multiple account blocks usually come from switching logins, reinstalling without cleaning sessions, or using the same device for different accounts. Fix it by sticking to one login method, clearing cache, and resetting the app completely. Most cases are device identity conflicts, not permanent bans. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.